IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. How does the weather affect your mood? Band 5. Answer.
When the weather is good, I feel good. But when it is cold or raining, I don't feel so happy. I think the weather can change my mood because I like sunshine.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence. Simple, short ideas. Some hesitation, but meaning is clear. Lexical resource, basic vocabulary, limited range. Grammar, mostly simple sentences. Errors, but understandable. Pronunciation, generally clear, though with possible lapses. Typical of a Band 5, basic communication with frequent limitations. Band 7.5 Answer.
Weather definitely influences my mood. When it's sunny, I feel more energetic and motivated to get things done. However, on cold or rainy days, I tend to feel a bit slow and less enthusiastic. So overall, the weather has a noticeable impact on how I feel.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence, smooth, natural flow, ideas connected clearly. Lexical resource, good range of vocabulary with appropriate word choice. Grammar, mostly accurate with a mix of simple and complex structures. Pronunciation, clear and easy to understand with natural rhythm. Typical of a Band 7.5, generally well-developed and controlled, but not perfect. Band 9 Answer.
Weather has a significant influence on my mood. Bright, warm days instantly lift my spirits and make me more productive, whereas gloomy or frigid conditions tend to make me feel quieter and more introspective. I've noticed that even small changes in temperature or sunlight can shape my motivation throughout the day.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence, effortless, sophisticated flow with nuanced ideas. Lexical resource, precise, flexible vocabulary used naturally. Grammar, accurate, varied, and elegantly structured. Pronunciation, natural, refined, and easy to follow. Typical of a Band 9, fully developed, precise, and effortless communication. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.